MicroStrategies, and its drag racing team, Giovanni Racing, knows what it takes to succeed, both on the track and in business.
MicroStrategies has been transforming business through innovation for nearly 35 years. Our core focus is to help our customers manage, mine, and monetize their data and informational assets, utilizing technology to drive business, the same way we utilize technology to win races. We take a high volume and variety of data from multiple sources to help us succeed in our racing program. Whether we're finishing first in a big race or helping our clients grow their business, it's all about the teamwork and the analytics of winning.
With a dedication and passion to cross the finish line first, the MicroStrategy staff on the Giovanni Racing team are constantly pushing forward, analyzing data to increase performance, and striving to be the best.